In the book of Revelation, its first 4 chapters open a door to an awe-inspiring vision. Join us as we explore these ancient texts filled with insight and mystery. Imagine you're on the island of Patmos, where John, a devoted follower of Jesus, receives a vision. Chapter 1 introduces us to the magnificent appearance of Jesus, portrayed as the Son of Man, clothed with a robe, a golden sash, and eyes like blazing fire. This vivid imagery illustrates his divine authority and wisdom, setting the stage for what is to come. In Revelation 1:17-18, we hear, "Do not be afraid. I am the first and the last.
I am the living one, I was dead, and now look, I am alive forever and ever." These words are a cornerstone of the Christian faith, affirming Jesus' triumph over death.
Chapter 2 takes us through messages to the churches in Ephesus, Smyrna, Pergamum, and Thyatira. Each church is commended for its strengths, then gently corrected for its shortcomings. For instance, Ephesus is praised for perseverance but criticized for losing its first love. These letters highlight relevant themes like faith, endurance, and the importance of devotion.
Chapter 3 continues with letters to Sardis, Philadelphia, and Laodicea. Sardis has a reputation for being alive, but is spiritually dead. Philadelphia is small in strength, but faithful.
Laodicea, known for being lukewarm, receives a stern warning. Revelation 3:20 says, "Here I am, I stand at the door and knock." This profound verse invites everyone to welcome divine presence into their lives, symbolizing a personal relationship with Christ. Finally, chapter 4 transports us to the heavenly throne room. John describes a vision of God's majesty surrounded by a celestial court. The imagery of the 24 elders and the 4 living creatures symbolizes the entirety of God's creation, praising Him. These chapters are filled with layers of meaning and hope, offering a glimpse into the spiritual realm and encouraging believers to reflect on their faith. Dive deeper with us as each chapter unravels the beauty and mystery of these divine revelations, guiding us on a journey of insight and inspiration.